Alright guys, here I am bringing out an error pointed out by the client. So if you look at this connection, you can see that the cleat is welded and you put a PFC right there with no clearance. So remember, there's a weld running here and there's no way this will assemble when you have put a PFC like that. What you need to do is you have to put a clearance, maybe 8 mm there, and then you may have a problem with the bolt here. Looks like that bolt is now given as 20 mm. It is just a bolt which is sitting on top of the cleat. So this bolt could possibly be a smaller bolt instead of a 20 mm. Could be 16. Center distance can come down and then you get a bit of a clearance. Please take care of these type of things. It's just a waste of time for everybody involved to deal with this type of things. Thank you.